When you share your truth, you inspire others to do the same. Neville Goddard. In the journey of life, we often seek deeper understanding, a connection that transcends the mundane. Today, I want to talk to you about a concept that embodies this connection, the bread and the wine. This simple yet profound imagery carries within it the essence of our spiritual existence. The bread represents the physical world, our experiences, and our struggles, while the wine symbolizes the divine, the unseen forces that guide us, the spiritual nourishment that we often overlook. As we get into this teaching, it's essential to grasp that everything we experience in our physical lives is intricately tied to our inner state. You see, the world around us is a reflection of our beliefs and thoughts. Every moment of joy, sorrow, or confusion is a manifestation of what we hold in our hearts. The bread is the physical manifestation of our desires and aspirations, while the wine is the spiritual truth that reminds us of our potential to create and transform. Imagine for a moment that each time you partake in the bread and the wine, you are engaging in an act of creation. Every bite of bread is a reminder of the physicality of your existence, the trials and tribulations that you face daily. It serves to ground you in reality, reminding you of the need for sustenance, for nourishment in both body and spirit. But it is the wine that elevates you, that lifts your thoughts beyond the constraints of the physical. It is in the sipping of the wine that you tap into the higher realms, the infinite possibilities that lie within you. Consider the biblical narrative of the Last Supper, where bread and wine were shared. This act was not merely a ritual, it was an invitation to transcend the ordinary, to recognize the divine within the mundane. Each time you engage in similar acts, whether at a meal or a moment of reflection, understand that you are participating in a profound ritual of connection. You are reminded that your physical body, represented by the bread, is not separate from the divine essence symbolized by the wine. To truly think of this teaching, one must cultivate an awareness of the interplay between these two elements. When faced with challenges, note that the bread represents the lessons learned through experience. It is through our struggles that we gain strength, insight, and wisdom. The wine, on the other hand, invites us to see beyond our immediate circumstances. It beckons us to look within, to tap into our innate creativity and potential. In your daily life, make it a point to acknowledge both the bread and the wine. When you encounter difficulties, allow yourself to feel the weight of the bread, but do not forget to lift your gaze to the wine. Ask yourself, what lesson is being presented to me? How can I transform this experience into something greater? Every challenge is an opportunity, and every moment of hardship can be seen as a chance for growth. Now, let's explore the concept of faith in this context. Faith is like the wine, it nurtures the spirit and strengthens our resolve. It is the belief that there is more to life than what meets the eye. When we encounter obstacles, our faith helps us rise above the situation. It allows us to see the unseen, to believe in the possibilities that lie ahead. In this way, faith becomes a bridge between the bread and the wine, uniting our physical experiences with our spiritual aspirations. When we partake of the bread, we acknowledge our human experiences, our doubts, our fears, our limitations. But as we drink the wine, we awaken to the truth that we are limitless beings, capable of manifesting our desires through focused intention and belief. It is this duality that enriches our lives. Think of both aspects, for they are essential to your spiritual journey. Another vital aspect of this teaching is the understanding of desire. Desire can often be seen as a driving force that propels us forward, but it can also be a source of confusion when misaligned with our true self. The bread represents the desires we hold in the physical realm, while the wine signifies our higher aspirations and true purpose. When we align our desires with our spiritual essence, we begin to manifest our dreams more effortlessly. Take a moment to reflect on your desires. Are they rooted in the physical, or do they resonate with your higher self? When your desires align with your spiritual truth, you will find that the universe conspires to bring them into reality. This is the magic of the bread and the wine, it teaches us to blend the material with the divine, creating a harmonious existence. In our journey, we must also acknowledge the importance of gratitude. Gratitude acts as a transformative force, allowing us to appreciate both the bread and the wine in our lives. When we express gratitude for our experiences, we elevate the energy around us, opening the door for more blessings to flow in. Recognizing the lessons learned through challenges, as well as celebrating moments of joy, creates a balanced perspective. As you move through your day, practice gratitude for the bread, the simple joys, the challenges that shape you, and the lessons that enrich your understanding. At the same time, celebrate the wine, the moments of inspiration, the flashes of insight, and the divine guidance that illuminates your path. This balance will cultivate a deeper connection with yourself and the world around you. Now, let's discuss the power of imagination in the context of the bread and the wine. Imagination is the key to unlocking our potential and manifesting our desires. It is through our imagination that we can visualize our goals and dreams, creating a mental picture of what we wish to achieve. This act of visualization is akin to partaking in the wine. It transcends the physical and taps into the realm of possibilities. When you engage your imagination, allow it to guide you toward your desired outcome. Picture the bread, the life you are currently living, the challenges you face. Now, shift your focus to the wine, envision the life you desire, the dreams you wish to manifest. Hold this vision in your heart, for it is through this process that you begin to align your physical reality with your spiritual aspirations. However, it is crucial to note that imagination must be paired with action. The bread represents the effort you put into your pursuits, while the wine symbolizes the inspiration that fuels your journey. Take the time to set your intentions, then take inspired action toward achieving your dreams. The universe responds to your efforts, aligning circumstances to support your vision. Each interaction is an opportunity to share your bread and your wine. Share your struggles and triumphs, your dreams and aspirations. As you open your heart to others, you invite them to do the same, creating a nurturing environment that fosters growth and inspiration. As we explore the concept of unity, we realize that the bread and the wine also represent the interconnectedness of all beings. Each of us is a unique expression of the divine, contributing to the greater tapestry of existence. Recognizing this truth allows us to cultivate compassion and empathy toward others, understanding that we are all on this journey together. In moments of discord or misunderstanding, note the essence of the bread and the wine. Seek to connect with the humanity in others, acknowledging that their experiences may mirror your own. By extending kindness and understanding, we create a ripple effect that uplifts not only ourselves but also those around us. In your interactions with others, let the principles of the bread and the wine guide you. Approach relationships with an open heart, seeking to understand the unique perspectives that each person brings to the table. The richness of human experience lies in our differences. When we share our stories, our bread, we create bonds that deepen our understanding of one another. At the same time, when we share our insights, our wine, we inspire and uplift each other, creating a collective energy that transcends individual struggles. Additionally, recognize that the act of giving and receiving is crucial in this context. Sharing your bread and wine, whether through kindness, support, or encouragement, creates a flow of energy that enhances the lives of those around you. When you give from the heart, you open the door for abundance to flow into your own life. Each act of generosity, no matter how small, contributes to a greater cycle of love and understanding. Now, as we draw this exploration to a close, I invite you to reflect on how you can incorporate the teachings of the bread and the wine into your daily routine. Allow yourself to be open to the lessons life presents you. Whether in moments of solitude or in shared experiences, recognize that every aspect of your life is an opportunity for growth and learning. In conclusion, the bread and the wine serve as powerful symbols of our dual existence, where the physical and the spiritual converge. As you navigate the complexities of life, note that you hold the key to unlocking your potential. Engage with your thoughts and beliefs consciously, transforming challenges into opportunities. Seek moments of stillness and reflection to connect with your inner self, allowing your true essence to shine forth. The practice of gratitude can elevate your experiences, enabling you to appreciate the abundance that surrounds you. Let this understanding inspire you to share your unique gifts with the world. Engage with others in meaningful ways, recognizing the interconnectedness of all beings. Through acts of kindness and compassion, you not only enrich your own life but also uplift those around you. Trust in the process, knowing that each step you take towards self-discovery brings you closer to realizing your dreams. Thank you for being a part of this conversation. By subscribing, you allow these teachings to reach more hearts and minds, creating a ripple effect of positive change. Together, let's continue exploring the mysteries of existence, cultivating a life filled with love, understanding, and abundance.